Now the reason we don't use the miter gauge and the rip fence together is because once the part separates, the cut part, it's now trapped between the rip fence and the blade. And so there's no question. It's going to catch one of those teeth and it's going to come flying back out at you. So when using the Dado Stop, when the part separates, it can twist 45 degrees. It doesn't matter. I've got more than enough room over here so that it's never going to come into contact with the blade and come kicking back out at me. And of course, the wider your cut is, the more that hypotenuse angle increases. So the 3 inches is necessary to give you the space you need so that these parts can't get trapped between the fence and the blade.